So, you know, that was a car crash, dude. Forget that.
They are fucking
Get
idiots.
fucked, whore!
What are you doing?
Did you stop? So, earlier today we dropped walking tutorial part 1. And honestly, it was a little bit subpar. So, right now we're filming for part 2. So, step 1 to not creasing your white Air Force 1 lows. So, a good thing to do is loose lace them. I will link a video tutorial in the description on how to lace them like these. Alright, first step, walking, alright? So you take your step, so regular old step, you bring your other foot, and when you're lifting off with this back one, you don't lift your heel and keep your toes on the ground. You kind of just have to lift off. You gotta follow me. Honestly, you know, simple old walk. You're gonna keep strutting, and you can get up. Not like this. Not like this, woman. See, are they creased? No, they're fucking not. All right, next. Cut it.
What's up?
You know what? These people, they don't know how to drive, so you know they just crash.
And then we can either...
No, right here. Fucking walk. See, I know how to walk. They don't know how to drive. Dude, that is content. Oh, yeah, can you cut it?
Hey guys, it's Carson Ziffy here on Instagram, and this is how you don't walk, okay? He always flames me for it, like, oh, it's so creased. Oh yeah. You like that?
Honestly,
That's not how you don't walk like that.
you don't fucking want to walk
do it.
like
Listen
that
to
ever.
this man.
At no point.
Listen to
See,
this.
she really does not like the way he walks. He doesn't.
You're recording. There's dog shit on the ground. Fuck you, viewers. Fuck you. What a tight fucking zation, bro.